In this session, we're going to look at how to create a target number for a shortcut. So at this stage, it doesn't matter if it's a shortcut on the server or if you already have a shortcut on a workstation. If you've got your shortcut, all you now do is you right click and then you click on properties. So you right click on your shortcut that you have and then you click properties. Then it's going to show you your target. In other words, this is your installation destination. Now I'm talking about a target number, but a terminal and target number is the same. And in many cases, your terminal and your tool number is the same. You can set those two up to be different, but usually your tool and your terminal number and your target number is the same. So this will define the terminal number for the workstation. So all you do is you make a space and a number. These numbers and each workstation has to have a different number, an individual number. If you have one server, in other words, you've got a registration for one server and 5 workstations, you will, in other words, then have 6 different target numbers, shortcuts with numbers. These numbers doesn't have to run consecutively. Perhaps an example could be that your server could be 100. Your tools can be from number 1 to 10. If you've got 10 tools, leave some space open before you start with, let's say, the back office machines. Then you can start with the back office machines at 20 or 50. It doesn't matter. You might have your debtors clerks at 20, you might have your creditors clerks, you might have the ledger transactions, the users that will only be working on the ledger at a different number. It doesn't matter. As long as each workstation and server have their individual numbers, and then all you do is you click on OK. When you then open Enterprise, it's going to ask you for your username and password. In my case, I've still got the default, so it's 1 and 4 ones. And there you make your company selection. You will then see your terminal and tool number is the same as your target number. Just want to show you, if we change this, I'm going to make this one, my server, make it 100. I'm going to open IQEnterprise again. Now you will see, I type in my username and my password, I select my company, you will now see that the terminal and tool number has changed. And that concludes looking at how to define your terminal number.